Welcome to Club Med Miches Playa Esmeralda in the Dominican Republic. Today we're touring the lobby, pools, and the beach with helpful tips along the way, including how to find each pool at the resort, so you'll be ready to go once you arrive. Stay to the end to find out why Playa Esmeralda is one of the best beaches for swimming and ocean sports. Please like the video if you find it valuable and enjoyable, and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Let's get started. Chapter 1, Lobby. You'll be dropped off by your driver at the lobby and the staff will take your bags. You'll be greeted by staff and given a wet towel for your hands and a tropical drink. During this check-in process, you'll receive an electronic bracelet to buzz into your room and a map of the property. The lobby is open air, giving you a direct view and access to the main pool behind it. Chapter 2, the main pool. Again, the main pool is located directly behind the lobby. In my opinion, the main pool is the most outstanding feature of the resort. Along the edges of the pool, you'll find cabanas where you can relax and enjoy some shade or the sun. The front section is extremely shallow for toddlers and small children. While the lap pool is a beautiful rectangular design and is 4 feet 7 inches deep. Surprisingly, the pool is not heated, so morning swims can be chilly and at a minimum take a little for you to adjust to the temperature. Pro tip, try the pool in the late afternoon for the warmest temperatures after the sun has had a chance to warm it up. Keep in mind that all pools at the resort close at 6 p.m. Connected to the lap pool is the large circular pool. The front area of the circular pool is shallow enough for toddlers and small children, while the back of the pool is again 4 feet by 7 inches deep. Let's take a few moments to enjoy the ambiance. Let's walk over to the towel stand and the snack area. This is the towel station. This area serves snacks during the day and into the early evening. Chapter 3, Zen Pool. Next, we have the Zen Pool for adults 18 and over. If you're looking at the lobby, it's located behind you, toward the left down the curving walkway. It takes a few minutes to walk there. This pool has a beautiful design and it's a peaceful spot to relax. The pool next to the bar called El Limon serves healthy fresh fruit smoothies, which was one of my favorite things to enjoy at Club Med Miches. Pro tip, if you want to enjoy one of these smoothies for breakfast, go to El Limon as I didn't see them served at the restaurants. Even if you're not swimming at the moment, it's great to enjoy a smoothie by the pool, or you can go ahead and even get your smoothie to go if you like to enjoy it at the resort in another location. The water temperature for me at the Zen Pool was also a little cold, but easier to adjust to and not as cold as the main pool. But this difference probably just depended on the times I visited the pool in the morning and the weather that day. Chapter 4, La Perla Family Pool. For families, the La Perla Bar and Swing Pool is part of the Explorer Cove section of the resort, located behind the lobby and to the right, and closer to the beach. It's a family-friendly area designed for guests with children. This beautiful rectangular pool is much smaller than the main pool, but it's about twice the size I'm showing here. La Perla Bar serves juices, mocktails, and snacks. Chapter 5, Kids Mini Splash Pool. Another fun place for children is the Mini Splash Pool. To get there, it's similar to finding the Zen Pool, but it's on the opposite side. If you're looking at the lobby, the Mini Splash Pool is in front of it on the right side in the children's outdoor play section. Chapter 6, The Beach. Now let's head to the beach. From the lobby, you would go past the main pool area and straight out to the beach. Then turn right until you reach the Ocean Activities Hut, located near the kayaks. This section of the beach is supervised by a lifeguard who sits in the tower just behind the roped-off swimming area. It's a great setup because it marks a shallow, calm, and protected spot for swimming, perfect for both kids and adults. Knowing a lifeguard is right there adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. Right next to the swimming area is the water sports area, clearly marked with buoys. This makes it easy to know how far you can go out while staying within a safe distance from shore and having help nearby if needed. I absolutely love this arrangement. I tried stand-up paddleboarding for the first time with some helpful tips from the staff, and I had a great time. I also had a blast ocean kayaking here for the first time. At the Ocean Activities Hut area next to the lifeguard and tower, you can borrow life jackets, kayaks, and paddleboards, or even sign up for a kiteboarding class. I've honestly never seen a beach organized like this with separate zones and staff on hand to guide you. It makes trying out ocean activities, sometimes for the very first time, comfortable, safe, and fun. Ocean swimming and water sports are definitely a highlight of any trip to Club Med Miches Playa Esmeralda in the Dominican Republic. Playa Esmeralda is stunning, the water is usually warm, and the tropical scenery is beautiful. If you want to catch part 2 of this series, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it.